Hey everyone! Want to turn your home into a smart, organized, and fun space? Here are 15 mind-blowing Amazon gadgets that you'll actually use, from label printers to waterproof speakers. Let's get into it. 1. Portable Bluetooth speaker. Kick off with a party essential. This waterproof Bluetooth speaker delivers HD sound, 20 hours of playtime, and TWS pairing. Perfect for home, beach, or your next backyard BBQ. 2. Nelko Bluetooth label maker. Get organized fast with this pocket-sized label printer. It connects via Bluetooth and prints custom labels for kitchen jars, office files, or cable storage, all from your phone. 3. TESSAN Surge Protector. Flat, compact, and powerful. This surge protector features 4 outlets, 3 USB ports, including USB-C, and is perfect for tight spaces behind desks or nightstands. 4. LISEN Adjustable Phone Stand. Tired of propping your phone against random objects? This adjustable stand works with everything from phones to tablets and even fits thick cases like OtterBox. 5. Outdoor Syncable speakers. These rugged Bluetooth speakers can sync up to 100 units. With built-in lights and waterproofing, they're the ultimate backyard vibe creators. 6. Magnetic cord organizers. Declutter your desk. These magnetic holders stick anywhere and snap cables neatly in place, perfect for charging wires, USBs, or your nightstand chaos. 7. Memoking Inkless sticker printer. Students, crafters, and planners will love this portable printer. It prints diagrams, notes, and photos. No ink required. 8. Gskyer 70mm telescope. Explore the stars with this beginner-friendly telescope. It comes with a phone adapter and travel bag, great for kids or backyard astronomy. 9. CCV Electric Air Duster. Say goodbye to canned air. This 150,000 revolutions per minute air blower cleans keyboards, PCs, and even your car with insane power and zero waste. 10. Emergency crank radio. A must-have for blackouts. This device has AM, FM, NOAA radio, a flashlight, a phone charger, and even a hand crank emergency ready. 11. VISSPL Mini Projector. Turn any room into a home theater. This compact projector supports full HD 1080p, works with phones, and comes with a tripod. 12. BenQ ScreenBar Halo. Perfect lighting, no screen glare. This space-saving bar mounts on your monitor and includes a wireless controller for brightness and warmth. 13. AC Infinity USB fans. Keep your gear cool. This dual fan setup is whisper quiet and USB powered, ideal for entertainment centers and PC cooling. 14. Wireless motion sensor LED light. Protect your home with motion alerts up to 500 feet range. Ideal for doors, offices, or retail stores, and installs in minutes. 15. Anker Soundcore 2 speaker. This compact beast is IPX7 waterproof, plays for 24 hours, and packs punchy bass. A top-rated classic, now even better. Which gadget was your favorite? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell, and also check the links below for the best price for these gadgets.